Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome to our English class. Okay, so dear students, in previous period we have talked about noun, gender, and the definition of gender and the types of gender, that is masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, and then common gender. Okay, also we have seen how to make feminine gender from the masculine gender. So let's do on that basis activity in our textbook. Okay, so please open page number 40 of your English textbook. Okay, so please open page number 40 and do this activity on the basis of previous knowledge we have studied about and we have learned about gender. Let's check our knowledge. Okay, so question number C. Some nouns in English that refer to women and in EWS or woman. Okay. Some nouns in English that refer to women and in EWS. Alright. Or women. Now complete the table. Okay. So we have to add here EWS. Okay. So on one column masculine is given, we have to do its feminine by adding EWS. Okay, so it's duke, but we never add only ES. In some words we have to change some spellings. Okay, so duke, its feminine is duchess. Okay, dear students, duchess, spelling is changed. Then policeman, it's a police woman. Okay, then stewardess, no change in spelling, only we add EWS. Then waiter, yes, spelling is change. E is removed. Then chairman, it's a chairman, chairwoman. Okay, chairwoman. Then host, hostess, EWS. Prince, obviously last E is there. Princess. Superman, it's a superwoman. Alright, so I hope you have understood how to add ES, EWS and some other ways to make feminine from the masculine. Now let's go to the next activity. D. Most names of animals and birds also refer to both the male and the female, like cat, dog, deer, sheep, elephant, horse, rabbit, etc. Okay, मतलब कुछ एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स के लिए भी हम मेल और फीमेल उनमें डिवाइड करते हैं. ओके, बट देयर आर सम स्पेशल नेम्स इन इंग्लिश फॉर मेल एंड फीमेल बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स. और इन बर्ड्स के लिए भी मेल के लिए अलग नाम है एंड फीमेल्स के लिए अलग नाम है. तो लेट्स सी एंड मैच द फॉलोइंग विद द मस्कुलाइन एंड द फेमिनाइन. सो हियर वी गो. नंबर 1, बुल. सो बुल, बैल. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फेमिनाइन? Yes, bull, the feminine is cow. So option D is correct. Okay. Then stallion, it's a male horse. So female horse is mare. Okay, so option A. Then ram. Yes, it's ewe. Then gander, okay, its feminine is goose. Alright. Then lion, obviously it's very common, lioness. So option is B. So here we have seen bull's feminine cow, stallion is mare, ram is ewe, gander, goose, lion, lioness. Now let's do it masculine and feminine again. Drake is duck. Okay, so option E is there. Then stag, it's a doe. She, tiger, tigress, option D. Leopard, so feminine is leopardess, A. And rooster, cock, is hen. Okay, so in this way we have done. So we have to learn, dear students. इनको याद करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, जो भी रूल्स है ये रूल्स हमेशा फॉलो नहीं करते, एंड दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू, जितना मोर रीडिंग करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा हमें ध्यान में रहेगा. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स go one step forward. Now let's go to the next step. Go one step forward from page number 40. Let's do it. You already know that two nouns can often be put together to make a noun. मतलब हमें जैसे कि पता है कि दो नाउन्स को मिलाकर, दो सेपरेट नाउन्स को मिलाकर भी हम एक नया नाउन बनाते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल टूथ प्लस पेस्ट इज इक्वल टू, मीन्स टूथ और पेस्ट ये दो अलग अलग नाउन को मिलाकर हमने बनाया टूथपेस्ट. उसी प्रकार से इन द सेम वे टूथब्रश, हेयर ब्रश, स्नोफ्लेक, रेन ड्रॉप एंड सो ऑन. मतलब इसी तरह से हम टू नाउन्स को जोड़कर एक नया नाउन बनाते हैं. ओके, सो सच नाउन्स आर कॉल्ड कंपाउंड नाउन. सम नाउन्स आर मेड अप ऑफ टू और मोर वर्ड्स. कुछ नाउन्स दो और दो से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स मिलकर भी बनते हैं, और ऐसे नाउन्स को दे आर कॉल्ड कंपाउंड नाउन्स. ओके, हम ऐसे नाउन्स को कंपाउंड नाउन्स कहते हैं. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स डू इट. Let's match the following and write the compound nouns formed in the third column. We have one noun in the one column. In the second, again noun is given. Now we have to match the correct word with this column A and B, 1 and 2, and then we have to make the correct compound noun, and here we have to write down it. Okay, all right, let's do it. Address. So beta, dear students, क्या होगा इसमें? Address tale, address room, address card, address book, address stop or address board. So it will be address book. All right, so please write down address book. Then bus, obviously bus stop. How easy it is. Bus stop, we have got the compound noun bus stop. Credit, oh it's so easy nowadays, it's in great use. Credit card, okay, everybody is having this. Dining room, yes, it's very easy. Dining room, it's a compound noun. Fairy, fairy की क्या होती है? Yes, we have fairy tale. Don't you like fairy tale? Yes, everybody like fairy tale. परियों की कहानी किसको अच्छी नहीं लगती? And song, obviously song word है ना. So in this way we have got all the compound noun. Now let's do the next activity based on the same thing. Okay, let's do it from page number 41. Here now fill in the blanks with the compound nouns you have just made. अब जो हमने compound nouns अभी बनाए हैं match the pair करके, अब उनको हमें इन fill in the blanks में correctly use करना है dear दोस्तों. So let's do it. Number 1, mom is looking for her blank. She wants to write a letter to her friend. मम्मी क्या देख रही होगी? क्योंकि उनको अपने दोस्तों को लेटर लिखना है. तो व्हाट विल शी नीड? उनको ज़रूरत होगी एड्रेस बुक की. ओके, सो एड्रेस बुक हियर. मॉम इज लुकिंग फॉर हर एड्रेस बुक. शी वांट्स टू राइट अ लेटर टू हर फ्रेंड. डैड यूजेस हिज व्हेन वी बाय और ग्रॉसरीज एट द सुपरमार्केट. हम सुपरमार्केट, मॉल या शॉप में जाते हैं तो क्या यूज़ करते हैं? हम जनरली यूज़ नहीं करते, लेकिन बड़े यूज करते हैं. हमारे मम्मी पापा, हमारे भाई बहन यूज़ करते हैं इन द मॉल एंड इन फॉर द शॉपिंग. डैड यूजेस हिज, यस, क्रेडिट कार्ड. ओके, is a story about fairies, elves, jinns and monsters. Magic, fairy tales. Okay, fairy tale is a story about fairies, elves, jinns and monsters. The nightingale is a songbird. It's very easy. It's a songbird. Then we have our meals in our meals कहाँ लेते हैं? In our dining room. All right. Then we were waiting at the for an hour. I was sure we would be late for school. So where were we waiting? At the bus stop. Okay. So in this way we have used all the compound nouns, dear students. I hope you have understood how to make compound nouns and use in your sentences. So please do all these activities of gender, match the pair, learn all the genders, how to make masculine gender, how to make feminine gender from masculine, and then how to make compound nouns from two different nouns. So please do it well, learn it well, and stay home safe. Thank you.